So what is 1010 app? It's a new viral social media app. I was using it for like few months and I just want to share my experience. Here's the app. It's available on iOS. It's also available on Android as well. So it's like a walkie-talkie social messenger. 1010 turns your phone into a live walkie-talkie with your best friends anywhere, anytime. Sing it, shout it, or whisper it. Your friends will hear you live on their phone, even when their screen is locked. It feels like they're right next to you. So yeah, that's just what you see here. And this app is, as you can see it here, it's available as well on Android. And then when you open it up, you just see this. This is what happening when your friends send in your requests. But first of all, obviously, you need to create an account. To create an account, you use either TikTok, Apple, or Google, and then you just need to sign in. And unfortunately, you need to add at least one friend for you to be able to use the app. So you need to add at least one friend. And to add that friend, you need to share your PIN code, which you can find, or just ask your friend for a PIN code and enter it and add a friend. So your friend should really use your PIN code in 1010 app and add you. It's not enough just to invite the friend there. It's not gonna work. So that's just what you see here. And then the app itself is really easy to use, very minimalistic, very great design. How it works is just like a walkie-talkie. You just go and hold on person. Some bugs here when you hold to talk for some person and it quits, as you can see right now. To be honest, yeah, this app is quite glitchy these days. This is just my experience. Why is that? Because this app is really going viral. And if you go to their TikTok account, you can see something like that 1010 is down. But mostly it's happening during weekends in US or some holidays in US, when there's a spike of users. And hopefully they will fix this issue quite soon. You just need to basically make sure the app is updated. And if there are some bugs, you can just go and swipe up the app and just refresh it this way and then go back to the app. And it will fix some of the problems. But if there is some bigger issue with their servers or their infrastructure, then you just need to wait 1 day or so. I'm just telling you that because when you just creating your account with this app and you try to use it, it starts glitching. This is the state of the app right now, unfortunately. So there you have it. So that's what it is. And then you just talk with your friends how it looks like. Yeah, I just was looking at what people looking for. So here's like their account. Like you just speak with some person, then you can just basically you hold down to reply, and then you just communicating with that person via walkie-talkie. You have your speaker, you have your like audio microphone. So that's just what it is. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. Then you can just tap and hold on the account and mute that account. It's really important because this app works on a locked screen. So even if if you lock your phone, it will continue to work and friends can still speak to you. And remember, this is on a speaker mode. So that's basically the idea. And then here you can also mute everyone as well if you want. Just go and mute everyone, and then you can mute everyone as well from 1 hour to forever. So that's another thing you can do. So that's just to be sure that you are not in the speaker mode all the time, because you can just go in some meeting or classroom and your phone just starts speaking out of nowhere. So that's just what can happen. You can also tap on the plus icon in bottom left, and then that's how you add friends here. So that's you're adding friends here, and then again, you'd use your PIN code. Your PIN code is basically like your username. You don't have usernames here. That's how you add your friends, because this app is eventually for only close friends. Because if you have like 50 friends here and everyone just speaks to you on the speaker, it becomes unusable. So that's why. And then, yeah, you just have your friends. You have some of the settings. You can edit your profile, like change image, edit name. There are no usernames again here. You can follow them on their TikTok. They posting some tutorials as well on their TikTok. You can also email them or DM on Instagram. Then there is like a danger zone where you can, if you want, delete your account or log out. Yeah, you can have multiple accounts with this app. So that's not prohibited. And again, this app works on Android. So if you have friends on Android, it's gonna work as well. If you don't like some friend, you can block or delete friend from here. And that's basically it. So what I like about this app is that it's like super easy to navigate and use. I really like the overview and the design of this app. It's kind of nice. So that's just what you have here. What else I need to say? Hey, like, they don't yet have a home screen widget. So if you try to add a home screen widget, it's not here for this app, but they do have a lock screen widget. So if you try to add like a lock screen widget, it just says here add widgets. And then here you also have like a 1010 app here. So you can also add this availability widget. Know whether you're available on 1010 app or not. You can also add it there. So yep, there you have it. So you can add it there. So as you can see, that's where you have it. Yeah, like again, this app can be quite glitchy. So that's just what it is. It can show you connecting or you are not able to sign up or bugs around that, but that's kind of normal for now. Try to use this app outside of weekends. Try to use it on the weekdays or, not on the big holidays. And just make sure that your friend also is logged into the app and has a good Wi-Fi connection, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Also in this app, they don't have yet group chats. So group chats are not yet available. And so that's the one big missing feature, but at least you can speak directly with your friends. And again, I recommend to use this app with your close friends only. Do not disturb feature is what I showed you. Like if you just go and mute an account, this way you're muting someone, and if then that person tries to call you, they won't be able to call you. They will be just shown as do not disturb. So this way you enable do not disturb mode. Also, you can go to your settings and completely disable notifications from 1010 app, just to be sure. If you're going to some meeting or some event, you can just go in here and disable all notifications from here. So you can also just do that. So that's another thing which you can try to do here. So yeah, that's another thing. And overall, it's a really nice app, nice design. There are some alternatives. There is Buzz app, which is another alternative. There is like a Zello walkie-talkie app, but these apps feel more like some business apps. They're feeling a bit a bit less vibey. I really like the design of 1010 app. I just really hope they will fix their server infrastructure issues, and then because Buzz app is also kind of cool, but it doesn't feel that way. There is also like walkie-talkie all talk app, which is also quite interesting. So yep, there you have it. This is just a quick overview in case you are wondering what 1010 app is. That's just what it is. It's a a new kind of social media messenger, but it's walkie-talkie messenger. Teenagers, they don't like to hold the phone near your ear or using AirPods. It's just much easier to just use walkie-talkie, and this way you kind of feel that your friends are close to you and they're like you're just walking with them. So try it out.